Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best digital gift card is probably one of the most versatile presents you can give, offering the recipient the freedom to choose exactly what they want. Whether it's for a birthday, holiday, or just because, a digital gift card provides a convenient and personalized gifting experience. It eliminates the guesswork and ensures the recipient gets something they'll truly appreciate, making it a thoughtful and practical choice. Number 5. Roblox 1000 Robux Digital Gift Card. Looking for an easy way to get Robux? This digital gift card is the perfect solution. It allows you to quickly add Robux to your account. With Robux, you can customize your avatar and unlock exclusive features in your favorite Roblox games. It's all about enhancing your gaming experience. This digital code is easily redeemed at roblox.com redeem. Please note that it cannot be redeemed in the mobile app or on game consoles. This gift card is perfect for Roblox fans worldwide. It's a great way to give the gift of Robux to anyone, anywhere. Redeeming this gift card gives you up to 25% more Robux. That means more opportunities for gaming, creating, and exploring the vast Roblox world. Every Roblox gift card comes with a free virtual item upon redemption. This adds even more value to the purchase. Roblox is a platform where millions connect daily to create, play, work, and learn. This gift card helps you be a part of this global community. What we like? This digital gift card is the easiest way to add Robux to your Roblox account. It can be redeemed worldwide, making it a perfect gift for friends and family anywhere. Plus, every card comes with an exclusive virtual item, enhancing the fun. If you're looking to quickly boost your Robux balance and get a bonus virtual item, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Easy to buy, easy to apply to account. Must go to online and search the login for Roblox. Cannot use ad when added to Roblox account. Always accurate with purchase and always works immediately after purchasing. Must log in online browser to apply to Roblox account every time. I get online and purchase the card on Amazon and it electronically sends it to them. Easiest way to get my kids Roblox Robux. You get the digital card instantly. Number 4. Roblox 2500 Robux Digital Gift Card. This digital gift card is the simplest way to get Robux. It allows you to enhance your avatar and unlock extra features in your favorite Roblox games. It's a convenient way to enjoy the platform. You can redeem this card for Robux at roblox.com redeem. Keep in mind that it can't be redeemed in the Roblox mobile app or on video game consoles. After redeeming, your balance should update within 5 minutes. These gift cards can be redeemed globally, making them ideal for gifting to Roblox fans anywhere. It's a great present for anyone who loves the platform and wants to enjoy more of what it offers. Redeeming a Roblox gift card now gives you up to 25% more Robux. This means more opportunities for gaming, creating, and exploring. More Robux equals more fun on the platform. Every Roblox gift card also comes with a free virtual item upon redemption. This adds even more value to the card, giving the user something extra to enjoy. It's a bonus for every purchase. Roblox is a platform for connection and communication. Millions of people use it daily to create, play, work, learn, and connect. It's a vibrant community built by creators worldwide. This card provides a specific amount of Robux to your Roblox account. It cannot be used to purchase a Roblox premium subscription. Make sure you know what you are purchasing. What we like? This digital gift card is the easiest way to add Robux to your Roblox account. It can be redeemed worldwide, making it a perfect gift for friends and family anywhere. Plus, every card comes with an exclusive virtual item, enhancing the fun. If you're looking to quickly boost your Robux balance and get a bonus virtual item, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Easy to buy, easy to apply to account. Must go to online and search the login for Roblox. Cannot use ad when added to Roblox account. Always accurate with purchase and always works immediately after purchasing. Must log in online browser to apply to Roblox account every time. I get online and purchase the card on Amazon and it electronically sends it to them. They can use it on their games for upgrades, new tools or parts for their game that they are playing. Number 3. Elikliv EDM4 1000X Digital Microscope. This microscope features a 4.3-inch 720p HD screen, displaying clear images and videos. The large screen enhances ergonomics and reduces eye strain. With this microscope, you can zoom in to see incredible details. The actual magnification depends on the screen size and the distance from the object. Connect it to your Windows or MacBook for a larger view and share live images. You can also easily save and organize your images or videos. It has 8 adjustable LED lights for optimal illumination. This ensures clear and detailed observations, even in low light conditions, improving image quality. This is suitable for various applications, such as circuit board inspection and coin examination. It's a great gift for anyone interested in detailed observation. The stand allows you to adjust the distance for different magnification needs. It provides flexibility and comfort, helping you find the perfect viewing angle. It offers up to 3 hours of continuous use. This portable microscope ensures extended operation, perfect for both indoor and outdoor exploration. What we like. This microscope offers incredible magnification, allowing you to see details you never knew existed. You can easily connect it to your computer for a larger view and share your discoveries. With its built-in LED lights, it ensures clear and detailed observations. If you're a hobbyist, a student, or someone who loves exploring the tiny world, this microscope is a fantastic tool. What people say. The 4.3-inch LCD screen is bright and clear, making it easy to see the details of coins without straining my eyes. The magnification goes up to 1000x, which is more than enough for my needs. I was able to inspect mint marks, imperfections, and other intricate details on coins effortlessly. Number 2. PROGRACE Kids Waterproof Camera. This camera is waterproof up to 100 feet. It's perfect for kids aged 4 to 8 to take underwater photos and videos. It encourages them to enjoy outdoor activities like swimming. The camera shoots HD 1080p videos and 5MP photos. It has many creative options, including funny frames, color filters, and digital zoom. Kids will have fun with it. This is an ideal gift for kids aged 4 to 12. It's durable, easy to use, and helps them explore photography. It's great for capturing childhood memories. The camera is compact and lightweight, perfect for small hands. It comes with straps for easy carrying. The package includes everything they need to start. The included 32GB SD card stores plenty of photos and videos. If the card needs formatting, it's easy to do. It ensures they never miss a happy moment. What we like. This waterproof camera is perfect for capturing underwater adventures. It shoots in HD and has a kid-friendly design, making it easy for little hands to use. It also comes with a 32GB SD card, so you can save all your memories. If your kids love swimming, playing in the pool, or just exploring the world, this camera will let them capture all the fun. What people say. They both love connecting it to their bikes as it is easy to connect. They love taking it to the pool, as it is waterproof and can go underwater. The focus and quality of the pictures are great. Number 1. Amazon EGIFT Card, Instant Delivery. Looking for the perfect gift? This is it. It's a convenient and versatile choice for anyone. The best part? This gift card never expires and has no fees. It's a worry-free gifting option. Choose from various designs and denominations to suit any occasion. You can customize the value to fit your needs. The recipient can redeem it for millions of items store-wide at Amazon.com. It offers endless possibilities. It's available for immediate delivery via email or text. You can even schedule it up to a year in advance. Please note that there are no returns or refunds on this gift card. It can only be used on Amazon.com and affiliated sites. What we like. This Amazon e-gift card is the ultimate in convenience, delivered instantly via email or text. It can be used on millions of items across Amazon.com, and it never expires or has any fees. If you need a last-minute gift or want to give someone the freedom to choose, this gift card is the perfect solution. What people say. I have never had any issues with it arriving within minutes, and you can personalize it for the receiver with the look of the card and the message they receive. The instant delivery is the biggest advantage. Being able to send a gift by email or text within minutes is incredibly convenient, especially if you're short on time or forgot an important date. Redemption is simple and seamless. The recipient just applies the gift card to their Amazon account, and the balance is ready to use right away. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.